All right, guys, so we've got the TUDIA Pixel 7 Pro case lineup you see here. Got hunter green, smoky pink, indigo blue, metallic slate, rose gold, and we got the matte black. So they sent over all these so we could check these out, and I could kind of show you what these look like, especially on the phone here. So you can see the Pixel 7 Pro here. This was a gift from Google. They sent this over for me to check this out and test it as I'm part of Team Pixel. So we will get a few of these on here. So starting with that metallic slate, you can see that's got the nice metallic look on here. This is a plastic back and a nice rubberized texture around the rest of the case and on the edges and everything here. You can see nice cutouts for everything. On the bottom you got the Type-C port there, your speaker is exposed. The buttons on the side are very nice and clicky, so that's always nice. I like having those clicky buttons. And then yeah, you got kind of their classic little grip right here, which does help, gives you a little bit of more grip and something to hold on to on the edges. So we will put on the indigo blue next. This is always one of my favorite colors of theirs. You can kind of see what that looks like here. This is more of a smooth rubberized back on this one compared to that metallic slate. It's a little bit softer, kind of has more of that rubbery feel like the kind of edges and stuff here do. Still got a little bit of that ribbed texture on the bottoms of each of these edges here though, however. And again, yeah, nice and clicky and responsive for the buttons. Get on the rose gold. You can see what that looks like. And it's nice because, yeah, like always, all these have, there's a little bit of a lip you can see there. So it's going to protect the screen where you're going to have a little bit of an edge around there that's raised and elevated. On the edges, not as much because this is just kind of the curved screen of that Pixel 7 Pro. So it's kind of hard. But you can see there's a little bit of a lip there. You know, definitely more so on the top and the bottom of the cases. Let's get this on. The matte black always looks really cool. You can see there again, nice for all the cutouts and everything. The camera on this is nicely protected as well. You can see definitely nice and elevated there. You can see how recessed that is. So if you drop it on this side of the phone, you should feel pretty safe there with that nice camera bump protection. Here's the smoky pink. So this almost has a little bit of kind of like a purplish on the edges here. You can see the nice and pink right here. Again, this one's a little softer feel. Pretty much all of these ones, other than the rose gold here and the metallic slate, these ones do have more of a kind of just hard plastic feel on the back. The rest of these have a textured, nice and soft, rubbery feel. You can see on the front of that one, you get the darker color as well. And then we've got the green. So this green isn't as dark as like some of their other hunter greens that they've had on other cases and other phones, but you can kind of see here what this one looks like. Again, nice rubbery soft texture on this one as well. Got the grip built in here, the black on the top and bottom. I really like how that looks actually. I think that design looks really nice with this phone. You can see the black carried through then on the edges and on the buttons and everything, and over onto the front around the screen there. So yeah, really nice cases, guys. TUDIA always makes some really nice cases. This is a pretty big selection for this lineup that you get here too, with all these different colors and everything. Now, there's gonna be an affiliate link for all these down there below in the description and the comments. That does help me out if you purchase through there. Like the video if you found this helpful. Subscribe for more like this and some Pixel 7 Pro content. I'll see you guys on the next one.